Yeah! This is part 4! Oh damn, my health is low. Now what? Should I go down this exact mountain? Okay. Oh.
You look on the rice?
Yes, wait. Until I complete this expedition, I'll wait.
For how long? Until now?
Mom?
You get better.
Mom? Sinabi mo I will cook something else. Okay.
What do you want?
Okay. Okay.
Nuggets or ice cream? If you don't eat that one, no ice cream.
Parang walang nagwalis dito sa bahay. Apa nga ron?
I'll take 1 scoop of a bit of a piece. This smells good.
Tinanggal mo yung interview.
Is there face cam?
Wala dun.
That's pretty good. Am I supposed to go down here? Are you serious right now? Are you serious right now? Wait, camp tree. We're in there. Ow, 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 ow. There's ice in my stuck foot. My legs are glitching. My legs are glitching. Let's go one more bite. Ang init. Oh. My health is kind of low.
Mabasay dyan. You shouldn't stay like that. You're taking most of the space at the same time. Fix your position.
Okay, fine.
What? Don't answer me like that.
Somebody fell down there up here. And this is Camp Tree. Found Camp Tree. Think. I'll make a part 5, I think. Oh, at the same time, it's going like up. That's the checkpoint. Yay! I'm gonna make a part 4, 5, 6.